The 600,000 kilometers of ocean coastlines could circle the planet 15 times. Here, in the intertidal zone, the land, water, and sky meet. This unique boundary allows diverse life from all three realms to mingle. The living conditions here change dramatically and hourly. To understand why, you have to look up. 380,000 kilometers above the ocean's surface, the moon orbits. Earth's gravity tugs at the moon, but the moon also has gravity, and it tugs back. Caught in the middle of this tug-of-war? The oceans. While the Earth's gravity pulls them down, the moon's gravity also pulls them up. The oceans actually bulge towards the moon. And on the opposite side, flung out by the orbit of the Earth and the moon, the oceans bulge away. But the moon doesn't stay in one place, so neither do the bulges. They follow the moon. The bulges travel around the Earth's surface as it rotates. Coastlines experience this as a sea level that rises and falls. These are known as the tides. The difference between low and high tide may be less than a meter, but in some places can differ by over 12 meters. When tides rise, they cover vast sandbars and mudflats with water. When tides fall, they expose these areas to the air. This cycle can be seen from space. But how are they experienced on the ground? As the moon rises, so do the tides. Land animals retreat from the water. Seaweed, mollusks, and anemones, having dried in the air, get some much-needed moisture. Next comes the sea's abundance. Nutrients and plankton wash in, a welcome breakfast for filter feeders like barnacles and mussels. At high tide, rocks that were dry hours before now teem with small fish. Anemones open up, hoping to catch a meal of their own. But, as always, the tides change. As the moon sets, the waters retreat, and fish follow. Tide pools hold seawater as it drains away elsewhere. They stay wet until the next cycle, sheltering snails and small fish. Ocean life outside the pools must go into hiding. Crabs scuttle into cracks, while snails, clams, and barnacles close up. At low tide, land animals return. Predators search for food, harvesting the bounty of the sea. And sometimes, the sea harvests them. At its lowest, the tides reverse yet again. This cycle has recurred trillions of times since the oceans appeared, and will happen countless more. In this special place where the land, sea, and sky meet, the moon helps to shape the incredible biodiversity of the intertidal zone.